Whoops, kicked it right after I started it. Darn it. Old gal and the pair of orphan fawns. She's still letting them follow her around sometimes, or they know enough to follow her sometimes. But I see her just as much by herself. I know they're not her fawns. I know they're not. Okay, little one. You might be getting over there too late, though, and I don't know that those does will be as tolerant as old gal. I don't know that they will. Yeah. I think you're getting over there too late unless you go over on the sewage cover, honey. There might be a little something there. Further up, honey. Go a little further, and there's a bunch. There you go. Now you got it. Now you got it. Good one. There you go. Now you found it. Nobody's touched that yet. That's the tiny one too. It's so small, but it's hanging in there. Uh-oh. Leave the little fawn be. Let it eat. It's so tiny. It needs the food more than you. Yep, she turned around and went the other way. I'll be danged. Eat up, Tiny. Eat up.